So, what's up, guys? I just got back from a little midweek estate sale, and I wanted to show you a couple things that I picked up. The woman had hung on to some watches for me, so I grabbed this off of her, little Bulova. Um, it's not cleaned up yet, but when I clean it up and get it running, it's going to be decent. Maybe I'll get 80 bucks for that or something. Um, this bracelet, which is actually quite heavy, it didn't look anything like this, but I polished it up. Um, I think everybody just saw the circles on the end and thought it was maybe one of those magnetic bracelets or something. Uh, but the only mark that I found on it was this, which says silver, and then there's some sort of maker's mark. So that's kind of weird to me that it says silver and not sterling or 925. But I'll get that checked out. But it's pretty heavy. I mean, it's a decent. It's like 35 grams or something. So for $5, I figured it was worth the gamble. These I also picked up for $5, and they're actually 14 karat. It's a tiny little bit of gold. So that's worth grabbing. Let me see if I can show you the mark. One of them's not marked, and one of them is. So I grabbed those. Where is it? It's marked there. Yeah, so those are 14K. And I grabbed a couple other random things, little stuff for the antique fair that I'll do. But one thing so I grabbed two watches. It was this one, and then there was a pocket watch. And I'm not super knowledgeable about pocket watches, but I do work on them sometimes. So it's kind of taken apart right now, partially. But this is the dial. It's an nice Illinois pocket watch. And check out the movement. So, doing a little research on it, this ended up being an amazing pocket watch. It's a railroad grade pocket watch, and Sangamo Special, 23 jewels. Apparently, the jewel settings are gold, and then the cap jewel, the jewel for the balance is a diamond. Kind of crazy. So there's gold and diamonds in this thing, and it can, in good condition, it can be like a $1,200 pocket watch. I'm gonna see. It needs some work. I got more work on it, but if I can get it running, that should be at least $700 to $800, I would think. So the case is not terrible either. So that's sweet. That ended up being the best thing. If I had known it was so valuable, I probably would have offered her more, but I only spent $20 on it. So that's awesome. And then a couple other things for the fair, which I'm not going to bother showing you, but pretty cool though. So yeah, I'll show you the next few things I find. Take it easy.